Very good morning, traders. Once again, welcome to our MST School of Trading for the second video of the same day. So today, I will show you how to use the different market type. Okay, only one market type I will show you with an example. See, in this part, in a select market, we have given these many options. By default, it will be in morning market after market open, depending upon the market type. Suppose if it is NSE, then you have to look at the chart after 9:15. If you are in commodity trading, you have to watch the chart after 9 o'clock. Okay, then this is evening market. So whenever the evening market is opened across the globe, so based on those calculation, our sell entry and buy entry will be formed. Then these two is already we have tested it, and the noon market, night market, forex 1 and 2, we have been testing them. Okay, so now night market. So we have some clients who are working in office, right? They cannot trade either in the morning session or in the noon session or in the evening session. Only late night they can trade. So for them, what we have, see here, go here and give the reset settings. Reset means what I told you. So by default it will be in morning session, morning market. See here, now it is in morning market. In morning market also, sell got activated, targets hit. Sell got activated and targets hit. Now suppose if you want to trade in the night market, whenever these lines are formed continuously like this, after this one, this line 10 10 16, then only how to trade. So now what you have to do, come here. Since we are trading in a late night, so just keep in 360 and see this magic. What happened? Exactly, market has opened somewhere here, it has come down, but not our buy entry activated. Then it went up to sell entry. The high made was 773.95 and our sell entry was 773.95. So exactly our sell entry got activated. Okay, now what you have to do, remove the first buy, enable the first sell and targets, and keep second buy and second buy targets, because if ESL hit, you have to go for the reversal entry, that is the default one in your all the time frame. Now remove the drawings and see what happened yesterday. So exactly our sell entry got activated and immediately our target hit. So how many points we have got? 773.95 to 77.25. So almost 1.3 point we have got. 1.3 point means for 1 point it is 2500 rupees. Then almost we have got some 4000 rupees. Then again, once again it went up, it has come down. Again it went up, it has taken exactly at the same resistance where our sell entry is. Then it has given the target. So now, that is today, 10th February 2012. What will be the market for the copper? If copper has opened above this level, then it will go up, then it will come down, it will retrace here, then it will shoot up. If market has opened here, it will come here, it will go back, then it will retrace, then it will come down. So this way also, tomorrow market can be analyzed by using our night market calculation. Okay, so this is how we have to use different types of market. So hope it is clear. Any doubts, please ask us at 9500009154. Our team members will be very happy to help you out. Thank you all. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also subscribe to our Telegram channel. Bye bye.